In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Insert Icons option missing in PowerPoint. If you've opened PowerPoint and noticed that the Icons button is gone from the Insert tab, don't worry. This is a common issue, and it's usually very easy to fix. I'll walk you through the most important checks step by step so you can get the Icons feature back quickly. Make sure to watch until the end, because the first step is the most important one. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first and most important thing you need to check is whether you're using Microsoft 365. The Icons feature is primarily available in the subscription version of PowerPoint, which is Microsoft 365. If you're using an older one-time purchase version like Office 2016 or Office 2019 non-subscription, the Icons feature may not be available at all. To check this, open PowerPoint, click on File in the top left corner, then go down to Account. On the right side, look at the Product Information section and check the product name. If it says Microsoft 365, you're good. If it says Office 2016 or Office 2019 without mentioning Microsoft 365, that's likely the reason the Icons option is missing. In that case, you would need to upgrade to Microsoft 365 to access built-in icons. Now, if you do have Microsoft 365 and the Icons option is still missing, the next step is to update PowerPoint. Sometimes features disappear temporarily because your app is outdated. Staying updated ensures you have access to all the latest features. To update, go to File, then Account, and look for Update options. Click on Update options and then select Update Now. PowerPoint will check for updates and install any available updates automatically. Once the update finishes, restart PowerPoint and check the Insert tab again to see if the Icons button has returned. If it's still missing, the next thing to check is your internet connection. The Icons library in PowerPoint relies on Microsoft's online services. If you're offline or have a weak connection, the feature may not load properly. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. You can test this by opening a browser and visiting any website. If your internet isn't working, reconnect and then reopen PowerPoint to see if the Icons option appears. Now here's another very important setting that many people overlook: connected experiences. If the setting is disabled, certain online features like Icons may not work. To check this, go to File, then click on Options at the bottom. In the PowerPoint Options window, select Privacy Settings. Look for Connected Experiences and make sure both Connected Experiences and Optional Connected Experiences are enabled. If they are turned off, enable them and click OK. After that, restart PowerPoint and check the Insert tab again. In most cases, one of these 4 steps will fix the issue. So just to quickly recap: first, confirm you're using Microsoft 365. Second, update PowerPoint. Third, check your internet connection. And fourth, enable Connected Experiences in Privacy Settings. One of these solutions almost always brings back the Insert Icons feature. If this video helped you fix the problem, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Microsoft PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.